Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be making Alfredo pasta with tempeh. Let's get started. To begin making the cashew Alfredo sauce, heat up olive oil on a skillet over medium-high heat. Dice 1 red onion and mince 4 garlic cloves. And cook for 5 or so minutes until the onion is translucent. While that cooks, add 1 cup of raw cashews, 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of sriracha, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and 2 teaspoons of sea salt to a blender. Add the onion and garlic to the blender once it has finished cooking. Now is a good time to start cooking the pasta. Before we begin on the tempeh, bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add 1 pound of fettuccine pasta to the boiling water and cook to al dente according to package instructions. Drain the pasta and return it to the pot without the heat. Your tempeh should be cut into bite-sized pieces. While the pasta cooks, heat the same skillet used for the onion to a medium-high heat. Pour a little more olive oil on the skillet. Once it's heated, add the 8 ounces of tempeh to the pan. Stir and cook on all sides for about 8 minutes until lightly browned all over. While that cooks, whisk together a 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sriracha, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and half a teaspoon of sea salt. Pour this mixture over the browned tempeh and reduce the heat to medium. Simmer for 10 more minutes, stirring often until the sauce has been absorbed and thickened. Add the cashew sauce to the drained pasta and toss to coat. Season with freshly ground pepper. Top the pasta with the Sriracha Tempeh, cilantro, and a lime wedge.